It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Achoo! Thanks for you. Something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes, and I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay, see ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia.
Activate Blippi Station. It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
The rain will be gone soon, Tabs? Great! Since I just finished my fun painting. Can you guess what it is? Wow, Tabs! Exactly right! It is a penguin holding a cup of tea while rollerblading through a jungle. So many colors! Whoa! A rainbow! So many colors! I wonder, how does a rainbow get its colors? Great idea, Tabs! We can fly up and ask the rainbow and find out. But first, I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a rainbow gets its colors.
Guys and gals, attention please. The Big Blue Sky is proud to present nature's greatest influencer. I'm Bowie the Rainbow.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm a big fan, Bowie. I know all your colors.
Thank you. I'm very proud of my colors. Let me show them off one by one. How you doing?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Wonderful job, Blippi. You know, today's a big day. We're doing a double rainbow showstopper. Oh, you must be part of my performance.
Really? I'd be honored, but I don't don't know how you get all your colors. Could you show me?
Of course, Superfan Blippi. First, let's check out this puffy cloud called a cumulus cloud. Ooh, it looks like it just rained too, which is perfect. That means there are lots of water droplets in the air.
Wow! This cloud has so many teeny drops of water.
Hashtag true. Okay, next step. Position the cloud so the sunlight shines true to water droplets, like this. Now, when the light goes true to water, it bends, or refracts, and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Voila!
That is awesome! I think I have the answer to my question. How does a rainbow get all its different colors? It's when the sunlight shines through water. It bends the light and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Upload answer tabs.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. How you doing? All right, see you later, Blippi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
That's right, Debo. The leaves have almost fallen off the trees. That means winter is coming. Whoa! That is a big bear! It looks like it's ready to hibernate. That's when bears slow down in the winter and rest. Kinda like a bunch of long naps. I wonder, how do bears prepare for hibernation? I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Nice hula hoop moves you got there. I'm Bella the bear.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're wondering how bears prepare for hibernation.
Is it that time already?
It's almost winter.
Oh no! I've been having so much fun this summer I totally forgot to prepare. I'm gonna have to move fast. Hey, could you help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Blippi. I've got quite the checklist. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of healthy food and fast, so I can bulk up my fat and fur to keep me warm. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Whoa! Voila!
Oh, right. Eating. Thanks, Blippi. I'll also need to load up on berries.
Bella, don't you need to eat the berries?
Whoopsie-doo. Oh.
Thanks, Debo.
All right. We're making progress. But now for the tough part. We need to dig in the ground to find roots to eat.
I know just the thing to speed up the process.
Nice work, Blippi. Well, excuse me. Delish. Oh, I just need one more thing to keep me warm.
What is it?
I need an extra layer to keep warm in my cave. Pine needles! The bear version of a big, comfy blanket. Oh, thanks! That looks extra cozy. I'm all ready for hibernation. And I couldn't have done it all in one day without your help.
I think we made it just in time. Thanks for answering my question, Bella. Bears prepare for hibernation by eating a lot of healthy food and warming their dens in order to stay comfy in the winter months. Upload answer, Debo. Have a great sleep, Bella.
Bye, Blippi. Oh, take care of my hula hoop till summer, Debo.
Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, Debo. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs!
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure! Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi, are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, Debo. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane. It's Halloween!
It might make you scream, but it's so much fun to go trick-or-treating with everyone. Let's take a look in a haunted house. But I'm not scared, can't say the same for that mouse. Bubbling cauldrons and a witch's broom. Let's go for a ride and sing this tune. Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Let's have fun on Halloween. Come on in, everyone. Black cats, flying bats, pumpkins that talk. There's a funny skeleton that gets up and walks. You have to come and see from near and far. There's a pirate spider who will greet you with an arr. There's so much fun on Halloween. So many costumes and friends to see. Don't forget to go and trick or treat. You'll have lots of candy that we can all eat. Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. everyone. Let's help find them quickly now. There's an arm and a leg, but where's the head? There's a hand and a finger, but where does the head linger? There's a foot and a toe, but where did the head go? There's the body and the other arm. Please keep calm. Here's the other leg, but where's the head?
Here it is!
Halloween, Halloween night. Put on a costume, ready for a fright. Oh, who's that knocking on the door? Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Let's have fun on Halloween. Scary ghosts and witches, brooms, black cats, flying bats, zoom, zoom, zoom. Pumpkins that talk, skeletons that walk. It's so much fun on Halloween. Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Bouncy sand dune! And even bouncier! Wow, what an amazing sandcastle! Wave incoming! Oh no! Looks like that castle was no match for that wave. Huh. I wonder, can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? Yeah, you're right, Tabs. There is only one way to find out. I need to build a sandcastle on my own. I'm gonna need the excavator arm and spider legs.
Excavator arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for action. Let's go make a sandcastle that won't get washed away. Now we need to make ourselves sandcastle size. Shrinking down. Feel that cool ocean breeze, Tabs. Whoa!
Hi there, I'm Krabby the Crab. Pleasure to meet you. Ooh, crikey, I don't know my own strength.
Hi, Krabby. It's me, Blippi. And this is my Blippi Mobile.
I love it. So, you out taking a fun ride?
Actually, Krabby, I'm here because I'm curious if I can build a sandcastle that won't get washed away.
You came to the right crab. I'm a planner, digger, and a builder. I can help you, Blippi.
Great.
So the first thing we're gonna do is build a moat. That's a fancy word for a hole. You see, the water goes into the hole and doesn't wash away what's behind it. So, let's dig. Dig, 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 dig. Woo!
Wow, what a hole!
Now let's build a sandcastle.
You're right, Tabs. We are gonna need a shovel.
Finished! Success!
You already built it, Krabby.
And our moat is perfect. The moat's the hole we dug all around the sandcastle.
Great moat! And best sandcastle ever. Wave incoming! The moat worked, Krabby. This means I think I have the answer to my question. Can I build a sandcastle that doesn't get washed away? I can by making a hole around it to catch the water. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks, Krabby.
See you later, Blippi. Keep on digging.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! More junk. Oh, look! A shark's tooth! Whoa, Debo, there sure are a lot. I wonder, how many teeth does a shark have? Great idea, Debo. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'm gonna need duck feet, a grabber arm, and a propeller.
Duck feet, grabber arm, propeller, confirmed.
Activate Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Whoa!
Oh, hi there. I'm Dr. Paula the Pilotfish. I'm a shark dentist.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how many teeth a shark has.
Well, you swam into the right corner of the ocean. I'm about to visit my friend and patient, Larry.
Hello. I think I have a loose tooth.
We'll find out. We pilotfish help keep the shark's mouth clean in exchange for protection from fish who might chase us.
Wow, what a great friendship.
Whoop!
Whoa! Someone call the Tooth Fairy.
Let's take a look. Open wide, Larry. Nothing to worry about. Come on in. The water's fine. As you can see, there's not just one row of teeth. There's row after row after row. Go ahead and close now, buddy. Maybe keep your mouth open just a little bit, Larry.
Whoa! Another tooth on the loose.
That's why Larry's got all these rows of teeth. They're waiting in line for when the front teeth fall out, whoop, and need to be replaced. Happens all the time.
That's kinda like us humans when we're kids. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 56, 57, 58.
I sure wish sharks could floss.
213! Oh, that sure is a lot of teeth to take care of.
You're right. There can be as many as 300 teeth in a shark's mouth at any given time. And get this, through his whole life, Larry here can grow and lose as many as 50,000 teeth.
That's a huge number.
All done, Larry.
Woohoo!
Whee! Bless you! And I got the answer to my question. How many teeth does a shark have? Sharks have several rows of teeth, can have as many as 300 teeth at one time, and 50,000 over the course of their lives. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for teaching us all about teeth, Dr. Paula.
Bye, Blippi. Don't forget the floss.
Whoa! Look! A bird flying at night. Huh, it's a bat. I wonder, how do bats fly in the dark? Good idea, Debo. Let's take flight in the night. I'm going to need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Whose lights are those?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I put my bright headlights on to find you.
Oh, hey, Blippi. I'm Matt the Bat. I was just heading out to fly my favourite flying course. You want to join me?
Sure. I was wondering how bats fly in the dark.
I can show you. But one thing, Blippi. No headlights.
Got it.
Let's go.
Whoa! It's so dark.
Twigs! Raj! Look out!
Whoa!
Blippi, didn't you hear that tree?
No, I didn't. Wait, did you say hear the tree?
Yeah, I can hear everything in my way. Heads up! Rocks!
Whoa! How do you do that?
Bats have a special skill called echolocation. I make sounds and they bounce off objects and echo, so I can tell where the objects are and how far away I am from them.
Really, Debo? You have echolocation too? Because you're a robot dog? Well, let's use it.
Whoa! Let's fly!
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Yeah, whee! Nice flying, guys.
Thanks! And I have the answer to my question. How do bats fly in the dark? Echolocation! Bats make high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects and echo, so they can safely hear where they're at in the dark. Upload answer, Debo.
Oh, look, it's bedtime. Fun flying with you, Blippi and Debo.
You sleep upside down? Whoa! Bats are amazing! Bye, Matt the Bat!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Look at all those adorable penguins! Look at them sliding on their bellies and waddling around! Wow! I think those penguins are flying! Wait a minute! Those aren't penguins! You're right, Debo! I don't see any penguins flying. I wonder, can penguins fly? I'm gonna need duck feet and flippers!
Duck feet, flippers, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure!
Gangway!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We were wondering, can penguins fly?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Pepper. I really want to fly. I just need to find the elusive shimmer stripe iceberg.
The Shimmer Stripe Iceberg?
Yeah, it's the biggest iceberg around. Once I find it, I think I'll finally be able to fly. Come on, let's go. I prefer tobogganing over waddling. It's much faster.
All right.
Here we go! Whee! Ice slide detour! I'm gonna catch some serious air! Watch this!
Yay!
Whoop!
Pepper?
Almost got it. We just need to find the Shimmer Stripe iceberg. Then I really should be able to fly.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Whoa!
Not this one.
No Shimmer Stripes here. Whoa!
Woohoo!
Where could it be?
Whoa! It's the Shimmer Stripe iceberg!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Here we go! Whoop!
Whoa! Come on, Debo! Yeah!
All right. Are you ready to catch some serious air?
We were born ready!
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Whoa! Hey, dudes! Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Did you see that? I guess it's not the same as flying, but we did catch some serious air.
Pepper, you're soaring!
I am? You're right. I can really soar underwater. Whoa!
And I got the answer to my question. Penguins can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They also have flippers instead of wings, which help them swim through the water. Upload answer, Debo.
I'm gonna go catch some serious waves now. Bye, dudes!
Bye, Pepper! I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's Chocolate Bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond. Exactly, Debo. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky! Hang on, Debo. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Well, hello there, Blippi and Debo. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. Debo is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, Debo. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Debo? Whoa, Debo! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. Debo the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan. And oh boy, we're almost tipping over.
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa! Wow! This is awesome! Woo! How can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed.
Whoa! Yeah! Whee!
I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi. Keep on crushing.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer, Tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye. Whoa! Look at all the blinking fireflies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love counting. Don't you, Debo? Hey, get back here, you silly. What you got there, Debo? I wonder, why do fireflies light up? I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Look at all those different flashing patterns. Maybe it's a counting game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoops.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was wondering, why do fireflies light up?
Hey, I'm Felicia. And if there's one thing you gotta know about us fireflies, it's that we are all about that blink.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You again? Just try and catch me this time.
Debo!
I like your style, Debo.
I've never seen moves like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
When fireflies blink, it's because they like another firefly style. And with style like that, I just can't stop. Everybody, stop!
Oh, no!
Not today, Froggy Boy.
Felicia saves the day.
Works every time. Fireflies also light up when there is danger around.
Oh, like a warning signal to predators to stay away?
Yep. Nope, not my style. Not bad, but nah. Hey, Blippi, will you help me find a firefly with a blinking style like mine?
You mean like a counting game?
Yeah! Do you remember my flash pattern?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's it!
We found your match.
Now that's my style.
What a great adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do fireflies light up? Fireflies light up to warn predators to stay away and to help them find other fireflies with the same blinking style. Upload answer, Debo.
Thanks for your help, Blippi!
Bye, Felicia! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.